Hey guys, today we're going to try to make a new recipe. It's marinated cucumber, tomato, and onion salad.
Try new things with Marianne. Try new things with Marianne. Try new things.
Alright guys, we are going to try to get this show on the road and get this done and try this new recipe. We are dicing the tomatoes, what we are doing.
This is marinated cucumber, tomato, and onion salad.
It's a new recipe, not tried it, so alright, we don't need those, so let's just dice these up.
2 medium tomatoes chopped. I'm not a fan of tomatoes, but I am trying to learn to like them. I do like all the other ingredients though.
One thing we're not putting in it is we're not going to put salt. We're going to let everyone put their own salt because it wasn't that much. What was it, a fourth?
It was 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of salt. So that way everybody, if somebody don't want salt, they don't have to have salt. Or if somebody wants extra salt, excuse me, not sauce, they can have it.
And she was pointing at herself because she loves extra salt.
Yeah. That would be me. It doesn't take very long for sure.
And 1 medium red onion, thinly sliced.
You like my little knife? I got this just in case to keep Mary in line. No, just joking. Shouldn't be joking with me cutting, right? I usually dice with it, but something tells me not to go this way. Sometimes you got to listen to your gut. I love this knife to dice with. That's my favorite. Okay, we're just going to the bowl. And we just got one more thing to dice, and we can dice it really fine, and I can use the big, this on this. I'm not scared to do that.
And this was sliced 2. It called for 2 medium cucumbers. We have 1.
One large.
It's a 1 really big large. So in cooking, you kind of work with what you got. Everything doesn't have to be perfect, and things can be made to your personal taste, but this does give you an idea.
Yeah, we had some tomato this week's been a crazy week, so we had some tomatoes that needs to be used up, so this will help. And I'm sure it's going to be good. I'm trying to get it very thin. It called for it thin, so I'm doing my best. I think I'm going to go ahead and dump these in here, though. Guys, I will tell you, it's a big difference when you're doing this than when you're just doing it. This is very sharp. I usually just get down so far, and then I'll use the other one because it does work good, but it is very sharp. And I kind of like my fingers. All right, now we are just going to add this stuff to go in it. We add it into this small bowl. Let me grab a spoon. Something I should have had. I guess I could tell you this is olive oil.
Yep, 2 tablespoons olive oil.
Okay, and this is 1/4 of a cup of vinegar.
Yep, white vinegar.
Sugar, how much?
1 tablespoon.
And half a teaspoon, right? Pepper.
Oh, the pepper, that was a 1/2 teaspoon.
Now this was a little bit less because someone requested that.
That would be me. I don't like too spicy. That is red pepper flakes, and that was optional anyways. So you kind of just suit things to your taste when you're cooking.
I don't know what's the directions now say, Mary. I'm just gonna put it on here and mix it up.
In a separate bowl, you whisk it together.
Okay, we did
All
that.
those ingredients until the mixture is well combined.
Okay, now here's how I do it. You don't have to do it, but I like to do it like this and take my hands and do it like this and get it very mixed up. That's option. I've seen some people put gloves on, but my hands are clean, and so
Now you're just tossing it.
I'm just tossing it and then getting it all covered. And now we got to wrap it in saran wrap and let it set for how long?
At least 30 minutes.
All right, we'll be back.
That's it. Okay, guys, it's done. Here's what it looks like.